Watch this if you struggle with debt, because you're about to discover the one habit that turned crushing loans into our 16 crore of pure wealth. It's the same habit millionaires never talk about publicly. Have you ever felt the crushing weight of debt? That fear when the phone rings, knowing it's another reminder of what you owe? This was Arvin's life, trapped by 3 loans, a personal loan, an old education loan, and spiraling credit card debt. Every month, his salary vanished instantly, swallowed by EMIs and late fees. The stress wasn't just numbers, it was sleepless nights, anxiety, and guilt. He wanted to provide for his family, but couldn't even offer them peace of mind. Then, the unthinkable, layoffs at work. Arvin lost his only source of income. The weight of debt became unbearable. He hit rock bottom. Many would give up, blaming luck or the system. Arvin felt that way too. Angry, scared, helpless. The future looked hopeless, a tunnel with no light. He was drowning, just another middle-class guy caught in the trap of easy credit and poor financial knowledge. But this isn't a story about darkness. It's about finding the light. Standing at the edge of ruin, Arvin made a choice. He would fight back. He realized blaming others wouldn't pay his loans. Complaining wouldn't build his future. If he wanted change, he had to be the one to make it happen. This was the real beginning. Not a journey into more debt, but the journey out. He started with nothing but determination. The dream of a better life seemed impossible, but he took the first step. He decided to rewrite his story. This is how Arvin began his journey from financial rock bottom. Not towards more debt, but towards a future he couldn't even imagine. A future worth 16 crore rupees. His story is proof. No matter how deep the hole, you can climb out. All it takes is a decision to change. The journey is hard, but it's possible. And it starts with one step. One evening, surrounded by overdue bills, Arvind had a moment of clarity. He was tired of being scared, tired of feeling helpless. He looked at his reflection and asked, "Is this how my story ends?" The answer was a resounding no. He realized he'd been blaming everyone but himself. That was his turning point. He accepted full responsibility. Yes, he'd lost his job, but he'd taken the loans, swiped the credit card, and failed to save. This wasn't about guilt. It was about taking back power. He stopped asking, "Why me?" and started asking, "What can I do now?" He listed every rupee he owed, facing the truth head on. Fear was still there, but now it was joined by determination. Before earning more, before investing, he made the most important investment, a new mindset. He became the CEO of his financial life. Arvind was no longer a victim. He was on a mission for financial freedom. With determination, Arvind built a simple system, his 3 golden rules. Rule 1, track every rupee. He wrote down every expense, no matter how small. This awareness showed him where his money was really going. He created a budget, not to restrict, but to empower himself. Rule 2, live on less than half your income. After losing his job, he found a lower paying one and made a radical decision. His family lived on just 40% of his pay, cutting expenses to the bone. They moved to a smaller house, cut out luxuries, and united as a team. Rule 3, pay yourself first. Even before paying EMIs, he set aside a small amount for investments. Sometimes it was just 500 rupees, but it built the habit of prioritizing his future. The rest of his savings went to crushing debt. This system gave him control and hope. He wasn't just surviving, he was building a foundation for wealth. Tracking, budgeting, and investing, even in small amounts, became non-negotiable. Arvind's new mindset was his greatest asset. He was no longer a slave to money, he was its master. The journey was tough, but he was finally moving forward, and that made all the difference. Most experts say clear all debt before investing. Arvind chose differently. He started investing even while paying off loans. His first SIP was just 500 rupees a month. It wasn't about the amount, it was about building the habit. That small investment was a symbol of hope and progress. He picked a simple index fund and stuck with it. Every month, he paid his EMIs and invested, no matter what. The act of investing, however small, kept him motivated. As his income grew, so did his SIP. The lesson consistency matters more than the amount. Don't wait for the perfect time or a big sum. Start now with whatever you have. That first step is the foundation of future wealth. Arvind's journey proves you can invest your way out of debt. The key is to begin. on 40% of a small salary was tough. Arvind realized he couldn't just save his way to wealth. He had to earn more. He turned evenings and weekends into opportunities, learning new skills and finding side hustles. He helped neighbors with budgeting, then learned accounting software to assist local shopkeepers. Every extra rupee from side gigs went straight to debt repayment and investments. He didn't upgrade his lifestyle, he upgraded his future. His SIP grew from 500 to 5,000 rupees and beyond. He attacked his goals from both sides, cutting expenses and boosting income. The hustle was exhausting, but his vision kept him energized. He sacrificed comfort for freedom. Arvind's story proves you can't save your way to crorepati status. You must earn more and invest it wisely. That's how you build momentum. For years, Arvind's investments grew slowly. It was easy to get discouraged, but he understood the power of compounding. His money was a tiny snowball, rolling down a long hill. He ignored daily market swings and focused on investing every month, no matter what. As his income grew, so did his SIP, eventually reaching 50,000 rupees a month. After 7 or 8 years, the magic of compounding kicked in. His investments started growing faster than his contributions. The returns became larger than his annual salary. Most people quit before this point, chasing quick results. Arvind stayed patient, stuck to his simple plan, and let time do the work. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon. The patient tortoise always wins, and Arvind's snowball kept growing. Arvind's first big milestone was becoming debt-free. The day he received his no-dues certificate, he cried tears of relief and pride. All the money once spent on EMIs now fueled his investments. Years later, he logged in and saw his portfolio had crossed 1 crore rupees. The journey from 0 to 1 crore took nearly 10 years, but compounding made the next crores come faster. From 1 crore to 2 took less than 3 years. He kept investing, living simply, and staying focused. After 16 years, his net worth crossed 16 crore rupees. It wasn't luck or a lottery, it was discipline, a simple system, and patience. Arvind's story proves your financial past doesn't define your future. With the right mindset and strategy, anything is possible. The journey from debt to crorepati is real. Arvind's journey is packed with lessons anyone can use. First, start before you're ready. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Begin with whatever you have. Second, small amounts grow big over time. 500 rupees a month became 16 crores. Third, pay off high-interest debt, but invest early. Build the habit, even with tiny amounts. Fourth, increase your income. Saving is important, but earning more accelerates your journey. Arvind found side hustles and invested every extra rupee. Fifth, invest for the long term. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Stick to a simple, diversified plan and let compounding work. Patience is the ultimate key. Don't underestimate small beginnings. The right habits applied consistently change everything. Arvind's story is proof. Anyone can build wealth. The only question is, will you start? Arvind's story is a reminder. The real difference is patience. Most people start strong, but quit when results are slow. Wealth is built by doing the right things year after year, even when it's boring. Arvind could have given up many times, but he didn't. He knew he was planting a tree, and trees take time to grow. The world wants instant results, but real success is built slowly. Arvind's 16-year journey wasn't glamorous, but it was real. It's about discipline, sacrifice, and believing in the future. Your financial destiny is in your hands, no matter your starting point. You can start today, even if you're in debt or earning little. The path is clear, the rules are simple. The only question, do you have the patience and courage to walk it? Don't let your circumstances control you. Take control. Start now. The person you'll become in 10 or 20 years is counting on you. Arvind's story proves it's possible. The journey is hard, but the reward is freedom. Asan Hai. If you enjoyed Arvind's journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this